Hi, I'm Jeff with Blackout Lighting Console, and today I'm going to show you how to get Multiuniverse up and running on your set using Blackout with Ratpac's sweet new Cintenna 2 and Satellite AKS kit. In case you haven't heard, the Satellite AKS is Ratpac's latest CRMX transmitter. It's essentially the lower cost little brother to the AKS Plus. The most noticeable difference being that the Satellite AKS is only Wi-Fi and Ethernet capable, and the AKS Plus also includes DMX input. The Satellite AKS has a magnetic bottom, it comes in 4 colors in a splash resistant casing, and it even has an LED on the inside which you can configure to denote which universe it's addressed to. Anything that links to it will change that color. Ratpac also has an amazing new web utility called Constellation, where you can configure all of your satellites. And with one button, I can set these to the right mode so that they begin talking with each other. So let's begin. I'm going to start by holding the power button to turn everything on. And then we will pick their roles. Now your satellites are going to ship in client mode, but we need to pick a host. And for this demonstration, I'm going to pick this as the host. To get it into a host mode, you triple tap the power button. And this blinking light will tell me that it is reconfiguring itself for host mode. Then we will address these to be client. And the clients will then search and seek out the host and connect up to it. Once these are all connected, we can go ahead and configure them in Constellation. Now that that is the host, I can go ahead and make sure that these are in client mode. So I'm going to double tap the power button and get that into client mode. And while this is solid red showing me that this is a host, these will blink once they are connected. And as you can see, this blinking light means it has connected to the host successfully and is in client mode. Once all of these are connected, we can configure them in Constellation. Like with any AKS, you can connect up to it via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Once I'm on the Wi-Fi network, I can open up a web browser and navigate to the IP address 10.10.100.254. This will bring me to Ratpac's web utility. You can see I'm connected to the host right here. You can see the IP address and the battery level. I can ID the unit, which will flash the lights, which will show you which one you're talking to. And you can even remotely link or unlink the CRMX devices from this transmitter. But the cool thing is, once we go into Constellation, we can see all of our satellites. I'm able to ID each one separately, like this. I can rename them. I can link or unlink their CRMX devices, and I can even set their color. For example, if I take this and move this to a yellow color, boom. Another cool thing is I can sort by IP, which you can see it's already done. And then I can auto number their universes. So if I wanted to start this at universe 5 in ArtNet, which would be universe 6 in Blackout because of the offset, and then I click ArtNet and then refresh, there we go. All of them have been addressed. But maybe now I want to change the host to universe 1, which is universe 0. So I'll click apply, okay, and now we're up and running. I've gone ahead and labeled these AKSs according to the universes that I would like to use. So maybe 1 is for my truck package and 2 through 5 are for my stage. And now I have 6 through 9 as my day playing Astera kits. And maybe each one of these tubes represents a kit of Asteras. But I'm going to show you how you can link each tube separately to a different universe transmitter. So to do that, we need to pair them. So make sure your first tube is unpaired, and then all we need to do is press the link button right here on our first universe, and this will send a signal to any unpaired CRMX devices. And we should be able to see that we have CRMX signal here. Now, because these were all unpaired, we need to make sure that we unpair this next tube. So we'll go here, unpair CRMX, and then we will pair universe 6. So I'll press the link button, and this will now pair with our second tube. Just like that. Now we have CRMX signal. So I'm going to do these for the rest of them. There we go. We have successfully paired each tube with a separate universe transmitter, and these 4 client transmitters are connected to the host device. Now, when I connect Blackout up to the host Wi-Fi network, it will distribute among these different satellites and respectively to their CRMX receivers that are paired to each of these transmitters on different universes. Once we have everything correctly patched in Blackout with the right Astera profiles matching the tube set to the correct universes, we can go ahead and test everything. I've gone ahead and made a bunch of groups in Blackout with just the cells of each tube in them so that I can run effects across them. So if I play effect 1, this is the first universe tube. If I play the next effect, we have the 6th universe tube. Effect 7 is the 7th universe tube. Effect 8 is the 8th universe tube. And effect 9 is the 9th universe tube. So there you have it. Wireless multi-universe control from Blackout through Ratpac Satellite AKS network to these 16-pixel Astera tubes. How cool is that? For an example of how this would come to play on a film set, take a look at this location diagram. You can see we have a console sending ArtNet or SACN to the host, and from there it's Wi-Fi to the client satellites, each on a different universe and transmitting CRMX to their respective lights, or in this case, Astera tubes around this lake. In this stage example, we have the same idea except they are all wired through Ethernet switches. We have the host acting as the DHCP server, sending IP addresses out to all devices. Just make sure your console isn't also acting as the DHCP server, and you're good to go. Wherever you lay data, you can connect a satellite and have an additional universe of control around your stage for those pop-up sets. As you can see, this is an easily scalable solution for your multi-universe needs, and with Blackout you can be completely mobile whether your devices are in wired or wireless mode by being able to take the console around the set with you and see the lights you are adjusting. So check out the latest innovations from Ratpac at ratpaccontrols.com and make sure to use Blackout app as your control device on set. See you in the next video.